Alright guys, today, me and the crew, we're going to take the front tire off. To loosen the nut, you need a 27mm socket. The next step is to take the two bolts out of the calipers. They are a 12mm. A good practice to not lose bolts is to put the bolts back where they came. Then we'll have to do the same exact thing on the other side. The brake line, brake hose, is in this cable stay right here, so pull that out and then they can come right out. Not good practice to leave the calipers hanging, but there's not much to mount them to without dragging something across the paint. You could run a bungee cord up, hold it off the handlebars, but I do generally just leave them hanging. To loosen the pinch bolts, it takes a 10mm, so make sure you haven't lost yours. Now we're going to get the bike on the stand. When the axle nut is off, you take your dead blow. Lift up on the wheel a little bit, give the axle a little spin, and it should come right out. If you like that video, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.